Introducing a bedsheet that blends comfort with craftsmanship. The quilted finish adds softness while the floral motifs in pink and green create a fresh, elegant look. The coordinated pillow with its stripped border ties the whole six set together. Perfect for anyone who loves stylish design and everyday comfort. This is the upgrade your bedroom has been waiting for. For order, you can DM me on Instagram at Ella underscore decor Pune, or you can contact me on the number given on the Instagram page, or you can message me on YouTube as well. We do free delivery within Pune only. Out of Pune, it will be chargeable. Thank you for supporting my small business.